Want to know how to create a category in LearnWorlds? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up categories for your courses in LearnWorlds so you can keep everything organized. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a surprising alternative that could work even better for your needs. First, let's dive into LearnWorlds. If you're looking to organize your courses, categories are a must. With categories, you can group your courses into relevant sections, making it easier for students to navigate and find what they need. You'll want to get this right, so let's walk through the steps. To start, log in to your LearnWorlds dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Courses. This is where all of your content lives, and it's the place where you'll create and manage your categories. Once you're in the Courses section, look for a button or option that says Categories or Manage Categories. Click on it. Now, this is where you can add a new category. There will be an option to Add New Category. You'll click this and start filling in the details of your category. You'll need to give it a name, something that clearly represents the course topics you're grouping together. For example, you might want a category called Web Development, if that's what your courses cover. Next thing, you can add a description. This helps your students understand what kind of content they can expect within that category. Keep it concise but informative, something like, this category includes all web development courses from beginner to advanced. After that, you'll choose a parent category if this is a subcategory. For example, you could have technology as the parent category and then web development as a child. This keeps things hierarchical and makes your platform look more organized. Don't worry if you don't need a parent category, you can skip this. The fourth thing to do is click Save. Once saved, your new category will show up under the Categories section, and you can start adding courses to it. This is done by simply selecting the course you want to assign, and then choosing the category from a drop-down menu in the course settings. Simple, right? The next thing to remember is that while LearnWorlds offers a robust way to create categories, some users find it a bit clunky and overwhelming at first. While you can organize your content here, the interface might not feel as intuitive for those who are new to course creation platforms. It's an all-in-one solution, but it might be overkill for smaller, more streamlined needs. Now, before we wrap up, let me mention that LearnWorlds isn't the only option out there for course creation. In fact, there are some alternatives that may suit your needs better, especially if you're looking for simplicity and better customization options. Stay tuned, because I've got a great suggestion coming up. Before we finish, I want to let you know that we've worked out an exclusive deal for you. If you sign up through our link, you'll get an extended free trial of LearnWorlds and the best possible benefits. But I also want to give you some alternatives to consider that might be better for your goals, and these options also come with free trials. These alternatives can help you build and organize your courses faster with a more intuitive interface. Through our link, you'll get the best deal available, along with benefits that are only offered to our viewers. So, make sure to check out the link below to get started with your free trial and to see the alternatives. You don't want to miss out on this.